Well, today I'm going to show you how to bypass this password. I have a friend of mine who just brought a brand new phone. It is Samsung A15, as you're seeing it. It is brand new, but unfortunately, due to excitement, he forgot the password. So when you try to log in, they are already showing that too many attempts and they locked the phone. So let us do a quick reset on our phone. So when you look at your phone on your side, this is the side of the phone. You're seeing two buttons, but in real sense, there are three buttons. So we have the power up, the power down, and the power button. So what you're going to do, you press them at the same time. So I'm going to press these three buttons. So as you're seeing, I'm pressing. You have to press them until the phone restarts. You have to make sure that you press them until the phone restarts. And once the phone restarts, you press the upper button with the power button. You move one hand from the power down button and you make sure that you're holding only the power button and the power up button, as you're seeing. So you have to be a little bit fast when it comes to that. So, oh my God, it bypassed. So for cases whereby it has bypassed, you have to make sure that you repeat the same procedure. I'm going to hold my three buttons. 1, 2, and then my power button. I hold them until my phone reboots. So it has rebooted. So I have to make sure that I release the hand from the power down, and I have to make sure that I hold the power up, the button of power up, and the power button. Wow, it's now working. So once you hold those two buttons, when the phone is restarting, this is what you're going to see. As you're seeing, we are going to have this menu. And once you have this menu, be rest assured that you're going to restart your password. So as you're seeing, we have this menu, and on this menu, before you do a factory reset, you have to make sure that you have surrendered every information in your phone, because once we do the factory reset, all the information is going to be deleted. So let me move my menu. I use these up and down buttons. So I'm going to select factory restart. And they are telling us that I've selected the wipe data or factory reset. If your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information, email associated with the phone to be able to use it again. So that means all the information on this phone is going to be deleted. So if you're okay with it, you go ahead and you press the power button. So here they are just warning you that you are able to cancel. All the data on this device is going to be erased. So I'm going to continue with factory data restart. So I've selected data restart, and as you're seeing, it has finished. It has already wiped out all the data. So I'm going to click on reboot system now. So I'm going to press my power button and I reboot my phone. Wow, the process is a little bit hectic, but when you're keen enough, you're able to do it. And what I know, if you're following the steps that you're seeing, you're going to be able to reset your password for your phone. So my phone is now beginning afresh. It's rebooting as you're seeing it. So as you can see, it is rebooting. You have to be a little bit patient, but trust me, this trick I've shown you, it works 100%, because I've used it on many phones and I know even your phone will work. So I don't know where you are watching the video from, but I would like to hear from you. You can hit the comment section and share with me your experience, how you have found the process of resetting your password. So it is restarting my phone. As you're seeing, Samsung Galaxy. And for my friends who are new on the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button as well for more tech videos like this. And you also share with your friends. Don't ignore your friend from learning this technique. So like I've told you now, my phone, everything is set afresh. So I'm going to click start. So I'm going to click on agree. I agree because remember, I've done a factory restart. So I have to set up now everything new as you're seeing. So guys, that's how you're able to